This shit, man. This fucking shit. Shit on fire, man. These apartments back there on fire. Oh shit, they got them snitch ass bitches right there. They snitch on us, man. Get y'all motherfucking ass whooped, man. That's some snitches, man. Stay right under us, but shit, back to the smoke. Man, it's going down over there. They screaming and shit. Ooh. Man, that shit stink. God damn. Y'all can see this shit, it look way different in person, man. That shit is smoking the fuck up. Man, it's on fire. It's in Houston, man. I don't even know the name of them apartments right there. But it's definitely going down. H time, man. 45 and 1960. Bitches they getting dressed outside. I don't know if y'all can see that. The hoes is getting dressed. That shit stink too, man. I think they might have put it out by now.